Hey you! Yeah, you! If you're currently looking for a job, then you need to watch this video. The hardest part about getting a job is facing the constant rejection and getting tons of no's before you get a single yes. If you're looking for a job, then you know that it isn't necessarily a fun process. You have to constantly look for jobs listings on LinkedIn and Indeed. Then you need to reach out to them. You have to write the emails. You have to write the cover letters. You have to edit your resume. You have to track all the companies, and you have to figure out what stage you're at with each company. You get my drift. Today, we'll go over how you can make your job search process a whole lot easier by using artificial intelligence to stay organized and productive. And we'll be using Magical's AI response feature to reply to emails, schedule interviews, and write thank you emails after every interview. This is going to be a major key in your process. So if you're unfamiliar with Magical, I'll fill you in on the deets, but essentially it's our productivity tool for dealing with repetitive tasks and automating it with AI. In order to follow along, I suggest installing the Chrome extension using the link in the description or heading over to getmagical.com/YouTube. Also, it's absolutely free. Okay, let's dive in. Point number one, we're all familiar with the onslaught of messages back and forth during a job search. Managing them can be daunting, but that's where the Magical AI reply feature steps in. Picture this. You've received a request to schedule an interview on LinkedIn Messenger by a recruiter for a promising position. And if you're anything like me, you're probably overthinking your response and maybe even making a few spelling errors here and there in your response. However, with the AI reply feature, you can simply click on the yes or no option provided by Magical AI, and instantly a professional, concise response is drafted for you that saves time and guarantees a positive impression. But here's where it gets even better. Imagine you have finished a productive interview and it's time to send that all-important thank you note. Don't gamble with hastily wording an email. A single click on the custom button and a quick prompt, and watch as Magical works out a polished, thoughtful thank you note that is constructed in no time. It's bound to leave a lasting impression. It's convenient, time-saving, and it's guaranteed top-notch communications all under your fingertips. Hey! If you're getting any value thus far, be sure to leave us a like and subscribe if you want more content like this. Anyway, back to the video. The dreaded job application forms. Hours of typing out each field or tediously copying and pasting from a document. Not only is it time-consuming, but it is also incredibly tiresome. This has literally been the bane of my existence when job hunting. With Magical's transfer feature, you don't have to manually fill out forms anymore. You just open your LinkedIn page in one tab and the job application another, and with a simple action, you can magically transfer your information from your LinkedIn to the job application form. And you can even add additional info into the transfer tool for quick access using the labeling feature. Now, as you can see, filling out applications can be relieved of its daunting reputation and be done in a matter of a few clicks. Tip number 3. This one is a major key. The process of comparing companies, job positions, and tracking your employment process is tedious, and it's kind of boring if you ask me. But trust me, it's worth your while to stay on top of things. What you should develop is a well-defined Google Sheet that you can track your employment status. Doing this will help you stay organized and allow you to follow up on potential positions so that the employer knows that you mean business. In order to accomplish this, we'll pull up the links in various tabs and highlight the various details of the positions you're considering. And once we've labeled the positions, it's time to use the transfer tool to transfer all the details into a Google spreadsheet. And I recommend using a drop-down to establish what stage you're currently at for each one. Honestly, this makes the process of job searching a lot more fun if you ask me. Now here's tip number 4. Let's be real, friends. Copy and pasting is so last season. Securing your dream job requires quick emails that pack a punch, and with Magical you can do just that. Magical's Auto Text Expander feature. It's your companion in the job pursuit journey. With this feature, you can create email templates for various scenarios. Those important post-interview thank you emails, referral requests, and even scheduling a catch-up with an old co-worker, all just with one click. And if you're lost for words, remember we have a treasure trove of templates that you can use in our video, 10 killer email templates for job seekers. The link for that video will be found in the description. Old co-worker, LinkedIn acquaintance, get a networking chat set up in a jiffy with Magical. Save your coffee chat invitation as a template in Magical and use it to network seamlessly. You can use the trigger :coffee. And just like that, you'll be able to create a template that you can have at your disposal. And there you have it, folks, maximizing your job hunt efficiency with AI. Now it's your turn. I'd love to know which tip stood out to you the most. Which one are you eager to try out first? Whichever it is, let me know in the comment section below. Your feedback drives the content we create. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. This is Michael, signing off. Hello. What was I trying to say there?